Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how you can earn free PayPal money, without spending any of the money whatsoever. You will just make free PayPal money with this technique that I'm going to talk about. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. And if you don't hit that notification bell, you'll probably not get notified when I do put out videos just like this, with how to earn, money online. So the very first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to sign up to some affiliate platforms. So this could be clickbank.com, but if you're interested in that, you could absolutely do that. But ClickBank does not make free, doesn't get you PayPal money. It does pay you, but not with PayPal. So if you only want PayPal, which a lot of you want PayPal, you could use another platform called JVZoo. So, that platform is, very simple. All you have to do is, sign up to it, and, that's it. So that's the first step. Sign up to one of these platforms, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to muncheye.com. So that's MUNCHEYE.com. So that's like the website, and I'll try and, maybe it'll show up right there. But, what you're going to do with that is you're going to sign up, and it's free to sign up. And, what it will do, it will show you the product that are about to launch. So that will, it will be on, JVZoo, it will be on, clickbank.com, it could be on a lot of websites like that. And, so whatever website that you fancy, you can do that with muncheye.com. So you sign up, and you will get to see the products that are about to launch. And this is something that's very important because a lot of things on the market are oversaturated. A lot of people say that there is some competition. You can make some money like doing promoting things that are already out. But if it's something that's about to launch, then you could potentially be the one that makes the most money out of it, because there isn't that much competition, and that can still work because when people launch, it's that great big thing, and you could just surf the wave basically. So when you see the products that are about to launch, you will have to find something that you think is good, because a lot of these things that do launch on these websites can be a bit scammy. So you just you have to find out if it's a good good product or not. So read the information, how much you're going to get paid, because that's probably one of the big reasons why you want to do that. But also if the customer is going to be happy about buying whatever it is. So whatever customer it may be, if it's a dog owner, just like I talked about in a few videos ago, or maybe it's something completely different, then you really have to be aware that whatever you're promoting, people will trust you to buy it. So you really want to make sure that it's a good product, because if it's not a good product, then you're part of the scam, if that makes sense. Like, most of these are not really scams, but what I'm just trying to say is you want to make sure that it's a good product and not something that people are going to be disappointed. Scamming is when you don't get anything that you're supposed to get. That's a different situation, but you want to make sure that it's a good one because people will trust you. So the next step, now that you've signed up to that, you've signed up to JVZoo or some other website, if you're not necessarily wanting to get paid by PayPal, so ClickBank could be a good one. So you find that, so you sign up to ClickBank or to JVZoo, you go to muncheye.com, you sign up and you get to find all the products that are about to launch. So then you find one product that you really enjoy, you know, whatever it may be, you find a good product, you know, find something that appeals to you, that you want to promote, that you say, yes, this is my product, I want to sell that. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to film something about it. Again, you know, I say this in a lot of my videos because a lot of you don't want to show your face, you know, so, you know, you don't have to show your face. If you do want to show your face, but you are too scared to do it, I do have a video that came out not very long ago, which I filmed yesterday, so maybe, you know, 2 or 3 videos from this one. But, you know, you could get over the fear of being on camera. If you don't want to put your face on camera, that's okay, you don't have to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a review video. So you're going to review that video like before it comes out, basically. So you know what the product is about, so you're going to review it, you're going to say all the good points, you know, because you want to promote it, so you know that it's a good product. Because if you don't know that it's a good product, go back to the steps that I talked about, which is finding a good product that is not going to scam people. So you find that, you know, you start doing these review videos because you know what's good about that product, and you do everything in your power to do something about it. And the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to, you know, release the video the day that the product comes out. You know, if there will be a day, you know, if you go to muncheye.com, you know, the day that it comes out, you put out the video. Obviously, what you want to do, you know, if you've never done affiliate marketing before, how it works is you get a link, you know, a custom link that's only you, and when people click on that link and they buy that product, you get, you know, a commission because you are the person that referred that product. So obviously you want to paste your link, which you're going to get using, you know, JVZoo or ClickBank if you don't necessarily want to get paid by PayPal money. So now that you've done that, you know, your video is filmed, you know, it's edited, everything is perfect. Then what you want, you know, you have the link in the description. You have the, you know, that's the first thing that you want to put to put out in the description, by the way. So link to X product, and then you put the link. Then, you know, underneath that you could put a description on what the video is about. This will help you get ranked a bit higher, but chances are there won't be very much competition because, you know, you put it out the very first day that it came out. So, you know, you don't necessarily have to title it like review of X product, but you know, you could title it like how to do X, Y, and Z, and this is, you know, what the product, like what problem that product solves. So that is exactly what you do. You release it the day, and you know, the day of the launch, and you know, you just basically wait for the money to come in. Now, quick disclaimer, this, you know, might not work the very first time you do it. You might have to do a few videos before you actually make some money that way, but you know, there are people making so much money doing that exact technique. So I'm sure that you can do it too. Maybe it will take you 2, 3, 4, 5 videos, but you could absolutely do that. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button, also that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.